Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious vegetable soup, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need a variety of fresh vegetables, about 6 cups of vegetable broth, and common seasonings like salt and pepper. Make sure you have a large pot and a sharp knife ready. These simple items are the foundation for a hearty and flavorful meal that everyone will love. Now that you have your ingredients, it is time for preparation. Begin by thoroughly washing and peeling all your vegetables. Next, carefully dice your carrots, celery, and onions into small, uniform pieces. Cut any potatoes or other root vegetables into 1-inch cubes. Do not forget to mince 2 cloves of garlic. This adds a wonderful aromatic base to our soup. Proper preparation ensures even cooking and great texture. With your vegetables prepped, we can start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your large pot and sauté the aromatic vegetables until softened. Then, pour in your 6 cups of vegetable broth and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Add the harder vegetables first, like carrots and potatoes, then introduce softer ones later. Let the soup simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until all vegetables are tender. Our delicious vegetable soup is almost ready. Before serving, taste the soup and adjust the seasonings to your preference, adding more salt or pepper if needed. Stir in some fresh herbs such as parsley or cilantro for a burst of fresh flavor. Ladle the hot, comforting soup into bowls. You can even garnish it with a swirl of cream or a sprinkle of cheese for an extra touch. Enjoy your homemade, wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.